Hello, I am Harshit and this is Prosper Personality in your journey of self-actualization. Today we're gonna discuss what meditation is, its benefits, right method of doing meditation, and how to make it a daily habit. So watch the video till end to get all the answers. I don't think there is any need to explain what meditation is and what it's about. But for those who are new to this topic, it's important to know its true meaning. According to verywellmind.com, meditation can be defined as a set of techniques that are intended to encourage a heightened state of awareness and focused attention. Meditation is also a consciousness changing technique that has been shown to have a wide number of benefits on psychological well-being. Before moving forward, I want to highlight some key things to note about meditation. Meditation is not a new thing. It had been in practice in cultures all over the world for like thousands of years. Nearly every religion, including Buddhism, Hinduism, Christianity, Judaism, and Islam, has a tradition of using meditative practices. Meditation is found helpful in reducing anxiety levels by 60%. It also reduces the risk of being hospitalized for coronary diseases by 87%. It is found very helpful in increasing productivity among employees by 120% and reduce school suspensions by 45%. Needless to say, meditation is extremely helpful for every age group living in modern societies. You too should treat your mental health same as a physical one. Just like your body needs exercise to remain healthy, your mind requires meditation to remain productive. Before looking at the supernatural psychological benefits of meditation, let's quickly have a look at physical changes it brings to our brain structure. According to a study conducted in 2011, meditation is shown to thicken the prefrontal cortex. Those who don't know, let me tell you, prefrontal cortex is a part of brain located at the front of the frontal lobe. It is implicated in a variety of complex behaviors, including planning, and greatly contributes to personality development. Let's quickly jump to the benefits section as it's the most interesting thing of meditation. Apart from focusing your attention on the present moment, meditation teaches accepting and letting go of negative emotions. Practicing this sort of behavior seems to improve meditators' ability to control their emotions even when they aren't meditating. Meditation helps you better deal with problems of anxiety disorders, depression, sleep disorders, pain issues, and high blood pressure. Other benefits include better stress management skills, increased self-awareness, improved working memory, improved immunity, greater empathy for yourself and others, and relief from headache. I myself is a daily meditator, and to be very honest, meditation is such a great catalyst in self-regulation. There is no such feeling like the one when you reach an altered state of consciousness while doing meditation. Lots of people do meditation, but very few do it correctly. To get most of the benefit instead of headache, you have to learn how to do it correctly. Now, I'm gonna share you some useful tips, so just hold your notebook and pencil. Choose a quiet, noise-free zone and make it free of all distractions like phone, television, etc. I prefer you to play calm music for better focus. There are a lot of such music on YouTube and Spotify. For beginner, shorter sessions of about 5 to 10 minutes are ideal. Just sit in a best comfortable position, whichever way you like. You can sit cross-legged on floor or in a chair. I suggest you to sit with your back adjacent to a wall for having a balanced support while meditating. When I started my first sessions of meditation, there wasn't anyone to guide me better. So I used to lose my balance while meditating. That's why it's necessary to have some support to your back in initial sessions. Slowly close your eyes and take some deep breaths. Try to have belly breathing and pay attention on how each breath feels. The purpose of meditation is not to clear your mind. Your mind is inevitably going to wander. Instead, focus on gently bringing your attention back to your breath whenever you notice your thoughts drifting. Don't judge your thoughts, simply direct your mind back to your deep breathing. In starting, meditation may sound as a useless activity, but with time, your mind itself will make it a part of your schedule You won't have to remind yourself to meditate. So, what you have to do is to make it a daily habit. If you are finding it difficult to sit like 10 to 15 minutes, then just start small. Commit to just 2 minutes a day. Increase this limit as you find comfortable. So, find the best time in your daily schedule to meditate. You can do it in morning, noon, or even evening. I meditate daily after lunch when I feel most comfortable. You can set up a reminder in your smartphone or take it as a 30-day or 20-day challenge. Reminding again, quality matters more than quantity, so keep this in mind whenever you meditate. So here it was for today. In this video, I discussed what meditation is about. In the coming video, I'm gonna tell you 7 different types of meditation. Choose what fits best for you. For that, just hit the subscribe button and receive direct notification for my next video. Prosper Personality channel is dedicated to help you out in your journey of self-improvement. You're gonna find some of the best psychological tips for personality development, so make sure to subscribe the channel. Thank you.